Don't even bother with these products if your hair is like mine, fine, low density, and doesn't like moisturizing or heavy products. I'm going to share 5 products that did not work on my hair and why they didn't work so you can avoid making the same mistake. Now, most of these are popular products in the curly world that you've likely seen other people with curly hair raving about and getting amazing results with. But remember, not all curly hair products work on all curly hair. So I'll share what the products are, the results they gave me, why they didn't work for my hair, and at the end of the video, I'll share with you my favorite products that do work on my hair. First up is the Love Your Curls brand. Now, most of the products from their product line don't work well on my hair, and I will get into the why about it. But the most popular ones are the Sea Moss Gel and the All-in-One Styler. I've tried these multiple times. They just do absolutely nothing for my hair because they are so moisturizing. These have so many moisturizing ingredients in them and they don't have any hold. There's like 0 hold in this. This has a light hold, but that's not enough for my hair. I need a strong hold and I need less conditioning ingredients, less moisture in the product overall. So these products would be good for hair that needs softening, hair that tangles a lot, hair that is really dry, maybe really thick, dry, curly hair types would do really well with Love Your Curls in general. My hair doesn't want any of those things, so these products are just not formulated for my hair type. And the one product that does work really well from Love Your Curls is their shampoo, and it's because it's pretty cleansing. It's got olefin sulfonate as one of the first few ingredients, so that works, but everything else is just way too conditioning for my hair. Now, the second product is Curlsmith shampoos. Pretty much all Curlsmith shampoos. I've tried most of them, not all of them, and I have not liked any of the Curlsmith shampoos I've tried, and it is for the same reasons that the Love Your Curls stuff didn't work. It's just too moisturizing. It's not cleansing enough, so it's not removing the product buildup in my hair. It's actually like creating buildup in my hair because it's giving me more moisture, more conditioning ingredients, and so it just weighs down my hair and it doesn't feel clean, and it just comes out like really soft and fluffy when I style. So far, none of the Curlsmith shampoos have worked for my hair, but like I said, I haven't tried them all. There may be a couple that do work. Now, the third product is one I don't have on hand. I tried it years ago, and that is the Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel. I believe that's what it's called. And this is like a gel cream hybrid with a light hold. It's so popular, and I remember at the beginning of my curly hair journey, like back in 2018, 2017, it was like one of the most popular products at the time. So I ordered it, I tried it, and I tried it so many times, and it just didn't work for my hair. It would look really nice when I would style, and then within an hour, it was just really fluffy, and I completely lost all definition, no matter what I did. And it's down to the light hold. Again, this is a product that has extra moisture in it because it's a cream and gel hybrid. My hair does best with just a gel. So I didn't know that at the time when I tried it. Now I know. I don't even bother with things that are creams because my hair just isn't like that. So that gel would be ideal for hair types that, again, need a little bit more conditioning and moisture, and it's pretty high on humectants, so that's another ingredient to consider if you try to avoid them, which is something I tried to avoid as well. And it could be one of the reasons why it didn't last at the time I lived in South Florida, and the humidity is even worse down there than it is here in Central Florida, so there was no way a gel like that was gonna work for more than 10 minutes. Next up is the Curl Fresh Definer. This was really popular during the pandemic. I remember it was like sold out all the time. It was like really hard to get your hands on it. And somehow I was able to order this, and I tried it a couple of times and it just didn't work. I didn't really know what it was. Now at the time, like I understand that this is basically a styling cream, and you already see a pattern with all of the products that I'm talking about. Creams don't work on my hair. And I thought that this had a stronger hold because that's what I had seen people talking about. And the product listing made me think that it would provide some hold, but really it doesn't provide any hold at all. So it's another product that just creates definition, adds moisture, but there's no longevity with these types of products. And again, my hair needs that grit, it needs a strong hold. This is not providing any of that. The last one is the Naughty Hair Care line. I tried their Wave Hello shampoo and conditioner and the Hey Curl scrunching jelly, and I didn't like any of them. I don't know what happened to the shampoo bottle. I don't have it on hand, but these are basically full from when I tried them, and I tried it a couple different times. I didn't like any of the 3 products. The shampoo didn't clean my hair enough, similar to the Curlsmith shampoos. It wasn't really lathering. It just kind of felt like I was adding conditioner to my hair. The conditioner was really heavy, again, a big problem for me, and this just didn't have any hold. I thought that because it was gel and it has a couple of polyquats or polymers in here, those usually provide hold, but I don't know what's going on with this formulation because this gave me results similar to the Bounce Curl, where I put this on, it looked okay when it was dry, but as it started drying, it started fluffing out and just losing all definition and structure, and it was just really fluffy and kind of dry and rough feeling. So it definitely gave me a little bit of flash drying, but really I don't care so much about the flash drying. It's the fact that it didn't define and hold my curls. So as a gel, it just didn't work for my hair at all. Now this doesn't really have moisturizing ingredients in it. The second ingredient is glycerin, but my other favorite gel, which is the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control, has glycerin in it. I think it's the second or third ingredient, and it's not an issue. So I don't think that's what it is in here. It's just the formulation, I think, just doesn't work for my hair type for whatever reason. So now that I shared those 5 products that are really popular but just didn't work on my hair type, maybe you want to know which products my hair actually likes. If you have hair like mine, it's again fine, low density, doesn't like a lot of moisture, doesn't like heavy products, then you're going to want to watch this video next. It's called My Favorite Products for Fine Curly Hair, and in it you'll find which products I recommend for fine curly hair that struggles with over conditioning like my hair. So just click the video you see on your screen and I'll see you there.